Hey everyone, welcome back to AI Geeks. Earlier it used to take hours to write a professional blog post, thinking of ideas, collecting information, arranging them, and after hours of hard work, only then would a professional blog post be made. But today, in this era of AI, you no longer need hours to write a professional blog post. You will find proper paragraphs, main keywords, pictures, SEO-optimized settings, and different sections of the post, including a section for FAQs. This is a fully optimized and professional blog post. I only spent 2 minutes. Yes, you heard it right. You can now write a fully optimized professional blog post in just 2 minutes, and even make this a source of income by freelancing. You can provide article writing services to blogging sites or news sites. If you run a website or a blog, you no longer need to hire an article writer. You can write professional blog posts yourself in minutes. At this point, you might think I'm talking about ChatGPT. Of course not. Today, I will guide you about an even more powerful, feature-rich tool that fulfills all your blog post and article writing needs. You will be able to complete hours of work in minutes. The link to this tool is in the description. Now, let's talk about the tool. It's an SEO writing AI website. First, you need to log in, and once you do, the dashboard will appear. Click on One-Click Blog Post. Here, enter your main keyword, for example, Top 5 AI Tools. The tool will generate a title for you. You can keep resizing the title until it suits your preference. After this, you'll need to choose the language for your post. Next, choose the length of your article, short, medium, or large. Let's go with medium, and our article will be 2,400 to 3,600 words long. Select your AI model. Let's choose ChatGPT 4. The point of view, we choose second person. And the target country for your article. Next, choose the Details to Include option if you want to add specific information. Decide whether to create automatic AI images or not. Select Yes if you want images. Choose the quantity of images, let's select 3, and leave the style at None. For SEO optimization, you will see an option for SEO keywords. You won't have to find these keywords manually. The tool will automatically generate the best SEO keywords for you. If you need more keywords, click again, and the tool will provide additional suggestions. After setting up the structure of your article, you'll see options for including statistics, a conclusion, a table, headings, lists, and bold text. Choose Yes for these options to ensure your post is comprehensive and well-structured. The tool also allows you to add internal links to previously written articles on your blog. For now, we'll leave it at None. You can also choose whether to include external links based on your preferences. Select Basic Web or Deep Web as needed. There's an option to add citations and source links inside your blog post. Enable it if required. Once you've made all these settings, click Simply Run, and your article will start preparing. The progress percentage will be displayed, and it will take 1 to 2 minutes for your blog post to be fully optimized and professionally prepared. The article will appear with the title Top 5 AI Tools, with properly formatted paragraphs, keywords in bold, and AI-generated images. The post will include detailed information about your topic, with sections covering the best options. It will also feature tables and FAQs to address common questions. After your article is ready, you can publish it on your blog. Install the SEO writing plugin, connect it to your site, and use the tool to publish your article. Additionally, the tool offers bulk article generation, allowing you to create multiple articles simultaneously. Enter your main keywords and generate titles for several articles at once. After setting up, click Run, and all your articles will be prepared in minutes. This AI writing tool is much cheaper than hiring a professional writer and offers unmatched options. You can start with a free plan and upgrade to a starter or professional package if you need more features. You can use coupon code AIGeeks25 to get 25% discount. The link is in the description. Try it out for free and see how it can streamline your writing process. If you like its features, consider making it a source of income through freelancing or article writing services. If you prefer to create your own blog or website, you can use this tool to write and publish articles easily. Thank you so much for watching, and we will catch you in the next one.